Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Shazim Mahiran. Today I want to review about effect global warming on coral forests. What is global warming? Global warming is the long-term heating of Earth's surface observed since the pre-industrial due to human activities, primarily fossil fuel burning, which increase heat trapping greenhouse gas level in Earth's atmosphere. Table of content. Number 1 is introduction. Number 2, why is global warming happening? Number 3, how to solve the problem of coral forests. Before that, I want to introduce about the coral reefs. Coral reefs are massive structure made of limestone deposit by coral polyps, often referred to as the rainforest of the sea. Coral reef support approximately 25% of all known marine species. After that, affected coral reef species. For example, Diplora labyrinthiformis. Diplora is a monotypic genus of massive reef-building stony coral in the family Musae. It is represented by a single species, Diplora labyrinthiformis, commonly known as grove brain coral, and is found in the western Atlantic Ocean and Caribbean Sea. It has a familiar maze-like appearance. Number 2, pearl coral, or the scientific name Dendrogyra cylindris, is hard coral, others Scalantinia, found in the western Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. After that, why is global warming happening? Number 1, sea level. Sea level rise is accelerating flooding and drowning wetland habitat. Sea level rise is caused primarily by two factors related to global warming: the end water from melting ice sheet and glacier, and the expansion of seawater as it warms. The first graph tracks the change in global sea level since 1993 as observed by satellite. Why does coral bleaching matter? Coral bleaching matter because once the coral dies, reef rarely come back. With few corals surviving, they struggle to reproduce. An entire reef ecosystem on which people and wildlife depend deteriorate. Bleaching also matters because it's not an isolated phenomenon. Number 3, toxic algae. Large and more frequent blooms are making marine mammals sick. These microbes then endanger corals by depleting oxygen from the environment or by introducing disease. 4. Habitat. Levels are suffocating some marine animals. Number 4 and the last for the effect global warming happening is the disruption in fisheries affect the marine food web and global food security. Last topic is the how to solve the problem of coral reefs. Number 1, renewable energy come from unlimited, naturally replenished resources such as the sun, tide, and wind. Renewable energy can be used for electricity generation, space and water heating and cooling, and transformation. Non-renewable energy, in contrast, comes from finite sources such as coal, natural gas, and oil. After that, we can use 3R, using the concept of reducing and recycling. These three small words are pivotal to managing waste and helping to combat climate change. Reduce means to make a smaller less in amount. 4 is the established international country. The developed countries consume more global energy and contribute more to global emission than developing countries that cause global inequity in energy consumption in the world, and the developing countries contribute in reducing the global carbon emission. And the last, reduce the use of plastic. Reducing plastic use can improve the life of coral. Why should we reduce plastic bags? Plastic bags are difficult and costly to recycle, and most end up on landfill site where they take around 300 years to photodegrade. They break down into tiny toxic particles that contaminate the soil and waterway and enter the food chain when animals accidentally ingest them. That's all from me, so come together to stem the problem of global warming.